ice cream. Yay! Everybody loves ice cream. My recipe features honey. Come on in close with the camera here, Janie. Honey is an amazing food because not only is it the healthiest sweetener, but it also, when you buy honey, you're supporting an industry that is healthy. If you're a vegan, you say, oh, well, I don't want the bees to be harmed. And then you go ahead and you eat some fruits because you're a vegan, right? You like fruits and vegetables. Did you know that you can't have fruits without bees?
No.
Hello? How do you think they get pollinated? Those plants. We need bees. So I
think you better tonight.
I believe that using honey is one of the most environmentally
I believe I got
conscious.
pollinated this morning.
Might be one of the most environmentally conscious economic practices.
What is that?
This is aloe. So good for you. Anything that could survive in the desert has a powerful life
That's like
force.
a cactus plant, right?
Aloe is a cactus, that's right. This is pumpkin seed. I'm giving you a little bit of free, a little bit of freedom.
The pumpkin seeds that
this has magnesium, by the way.
that you
It's
had
good
in
for
the store,
anxiety.
people bought it, right?
Yeah, they sold out and they restocked. All right,
Hold
so
on, wait.
we got a half cup of honey, a full cup of pumpkin seeds. We got a big chunk of aloe. I didn't really measure that. Here's some honey. I'm sorry, prune juice. Prune juice. Next is cocoa powder. That should have been about a quarter to a half cup, maybe a third.
That's a lot of cocoa.
Well, it's a big recipe. What do you want? You know. People don't watch my videos as much. I'm talking about like 5 times as much when you're on. When you're on, I get 5 times as many viewers. Okay, and I have an important message that has to get out.
Thanks.
Here, have a seat.
I have a piece in my hand.
And you gotta take the top off there.
Can you get it for me? I have this in my hand.
You're welcome.
It's good. Now I'm going to read my book and I'm going to drink smoothie.